Professor Eze Ohafia, yes. I think you must be a member of ECPE. Is yes. that correct?
Yeah.
Is it necessary?
It's necessary. In fact, they come and initiated me. That is, they came here in a large numbers and insisted I have to become a member. You know, our people, as I told Christian, the way we were indoctrinated in the Presbyterian Church, that is the Scottish Church. Now, they believe that is fetish, if you like, anti-God, anti-Christ, whatever it is. But if you are going to become Udumaeze of Ohafia, even as you must become a member of Okonko, a member of ECPE. That's a member of ECPE, because there are certain things you should know the secret. You should not. I mean, you are supposed to be able to welcome any group, or can go into. If I'm going to Abreba or go to a place and they say, I should not run away. It will be very unfortunate. Yes. I should have known what it is, what ECPE is all about. Yes. So that is the reason why they have the necessity, and that's why how it is explained to them why the person has to take join in the ECPE, you know. And I will tell them it's not anti-God, anti-Christ, whatever it is. It's just a ceremony, celebration, like any other dance.
So I beg, can you tell me what kind of ECPE grades you have? How do you call the grades in this area, the titles of ECPE?
Well, you see, when the initiates, the people who have initiated are just members, ECPE members. I mean, I don't know this. You can, with skill and enthusiasm or interest, you come to know, because a time is speaking a certain language that is not a idiomatic language, rather
particular to them.
Yes, certain language that is particular to them. They communicate. Otherwise, they can say certain things that you will not understand if you don't, until you have attained that level. And indeed, Okonko, when they are dancing and celebrating, everything are all signs. It's signs. That sign is one of the.
Is in Nsibidi.
Nsibidi, indeed. That word. Yes, it is called Nsibidi. Nsibidi. That's Nsibidi means. Yes, Nsibidi, that is sign.
Connotations.
Yeah, sign connotations. To communicate. In fact, they can do certain things, put certain. And then the person cannot continue passing on that road. He come out. Something like that. In fact, they can also put something in your front of your house, like this. They mean that you are locked in, you can't come out.
Injunction. So what about Okonko? What is Okonko?
Well, Okonko, as I said, is that masquerade, which there are some people who are so knowledgeable and formidable in the interpretation of the Nsibidi, because the Okonko is shrouded in Nsibidi. Lot of Nsibidi. They talk in Nsibidi, in science. Now, if you don't know these Nsibidis, in fact, therefore, you cannot be asked to become. You may not be put on. You won't qualify to become that Okonko. They won't give you the masquerade, because there are people who have attained certain level of this thing that are supposed to be in the Okonko.
You have to know.
Yes. You have to know. If you don't know, actually, there's somebody who came here this morning who have been and these are people who have been participating. There are certain people who can become a conqueror. In other words, they use that masquerade. They may not be knowledgeable enough, but it just be dancing. They will be playing, dancing. But those who are very, very knowledgeable and formidable about it, most of the thing, every 30 minutes they will display one Nsibidi. I mean, to be more of a Nsibidi, they be communicating. People also have said that if everybody knew Nsibidi, then there would have been open language would have been unnecessary. That because you'll be communicating with that Nsibidi, so that you know that will take advantage of people who don't know. But the fact is that not everybody knows the Nsibidi.
Thank you very much.